Hello and welcome to another enthusiast train travel video. This time you can join me on a trip from the Thai capital Bangkok to Butterworth in Northern Malaysia. Train travel in Thailand is very inexpensive. The entire trip, including the sleeping car and a trip that goes overnight, costs about 2,200 baht or 50 euros. The train starts at Bangkok and takes the route southwards via Ratchaburi and Hat Yai to Butterworth. It doesn't start out very promising. The first thing you see after leaving the station are Bangkok's shanty towns. Very convenient, food is provided by local vendors. Ratchaburi is one of the very few stations where this long-distance train stops. As the sun sets, the conductor prepares the sleeping car for the night. And as you can see, except for one single curtain, there isn't much privacy. Meanwhile, some of the passengers spend the evening in the more than kitschy dining car. The next morning, practically nothing has changed. The train is still in Thailand, and there are still many Buddha temples passing by. Finally, the train enters Hat Yai station, which is the last one on Thai territory. From here on, only 2 cars will head on to Butterworth, which means some shunting action. When moving on, we are passing a locomotive junkyard. And what a luck that I didn't travel a day earlier. Shortly after, the train reaches Malaysia. In the station building of Padang Besar, there is also the Thai and Malaysian customs, which means an additional break. Finally, the train reaches its terminus at Butterworth. A little surprised, the Eastern and Oriental Express is waiting for its passengers, who obviously return from Penang Island, which is just nearby and can easily be reached directly from the station via a ferry. This island is also called the Island of the Betel Nut and is famous for its colonial architecture. Like this video, subscribe to my uploads and enjoy many more train travel videos. Also check out my channel. See you next time.